Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we can learn how to fold my perfect heart, designed by me. This tutorial is presented also by me, Wilson Lee. This model is my way of saying thank you to you, my subscribers. I recently received 100 subscribers, which allowed me to have a custom URL link for my channel. And I'm really happy. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? You should subscribe right away. Every week, I'm going to be delivering a minimum of 2 tutorials. Every Tuesdays, it's going to be a paper airplane. That's part of my 100 exotic paper airplane challenge. That's where I'm going to find 100 exotic paper airplanes and show you how to fold them. Every Fridays, it's going to be a new origami model that's never seen before on my channel. Sundays is my bonus video where I'm going to either post one of my vlog videos or another origami model that's never seen before on my channel. Usually something more complex. So subscribe right now so you don't miss any of my tutorials. They're free. Now let's get back to today's model. It's my perfect heart, designed by me, Wilson Lee. I accidentally designed this model at a really young age. Back then, YouTube did not exist, and internet was not that common. That's how far back it is, and that's how old I am. I was taught how to fold the traditional origami heart, and I completely forgot how to fold it. Fiddling around with the paper a bit, and this is what I got. I named it my perfect heart because it's completely symmetrical, left and right, and it's the same looking from the front and looking from the back. It also stands too if you want to. Once again, this heart is for you, my subscribers, for helping me get my custom URL on my channel. Thank you. If you have a little bit more time, please check out a few more of my tutorials. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something interesting. If you liked the video, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.